Ready to ditch the bank queues and jump into the world of Bitcoin, right from your phone here in the UK. Let's dive straight into how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet in the UK, keeping it simple, safe, and super user-friendly. First things first, if you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from your app store. It's free and available for both iOS and Android. Okay, with Trust Wallet installed and set up, look for the Bitcoin icon. It might be called BTC, that's its abbreviation. Tap on Bitcoin. You'll see a few options. Look for the buy button and tap it. This is where you'll initiate your Bitcoin purchase. Now, you'll see a list of different providers. These are third-party services that handle the actual transaction of buying Bitcoin with your local currency. British pounds. Popular choices in the UK are MoonPay and Simplex, but others might be available. To choose one that you are familiar with or has more favorable fees. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in GBP. The app will show you the equivalent amount of Bitcoin you'll receive, considering the current exchange rate and fees. You'll be redirected to the website of the payment provider you selected. Follow their instructions, which usually involve verifying your identity. This is a standard security measure, a regulatory requirement known as KYC. Know your customer, so don't be alarmed. It keeps everything safe and legitimate. You will then be asked for your payment details. That usually involves using your credit card or a bank transfer from your UK bank account. Fill in the necessary information carefully. Double-check everything before submitting. Once your payment is processed, which might take a few minutes to hours depending on the provider, you'll receive a confirmation. Your Bitcoin will then be deposited directly into your Trust Wallet. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin on Trust Wallet in the UK. You can now hold onto it, trade it, or use it as you wish. Easy peasy.